All you need to know about faceless videos to make a fortune. Discover a rising trend in the online world: faceless videos. These are videos where creators remain hidden, focusing solely on their content. Dive into this guide for essential tips and insights on mastering the art of faceless video creation. Whether you're a novice or seasoned content creator, this resource-packed guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to thrive in the ever-evolving landscape of online video content. Understanding faceless videos. What are faceless videos? Faceless videos, as the name implies, are content pieces where the creator's face is never revealed on screen. This could range from gameplay walkthroughs to educational tutorials, from narrative voiceovers to animated explanations. Why go faceless? There are many benefits to creating faceless YouTube content. Privacy: maintain anonymity and avoid the pressure of being on camera. Flexibility: no need to worry about elaborate sets or spending hours on makeup. Inclusivity: keep the focus on the content, not your appearance. Faceless YouTube success stories: channels like Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell. Educational and bright side: interesting facts and stories are shining examples of the power of faceless content. Their millions of subscribers prove that engagement comes from high-quality content, not the person behind the camera. Choosing your niche: the importance of niche selection. Selecting a niche is akin to finding your voice in a choir. It allows you to harmonize with the right audience. A niche directs your content strategy and helps you establish expertise and credibility. Final part 2 coming up next.